first thing we want to do is remove our oil fill cap. That's going to help the crankcase breathe properly when draining our engine oil. After that, using an 18mm socket, we'll remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. As it's draining, now's a good time to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you'll want to replace it with a new one to prevent any future leaks. And we'll torque the drain bolt to 31 foot-pounds. Now this unit requires that we remove the front exhaust pipe to get access to the oil filter. So using a 12mm socket, we'll remove the 2 header bolts and the 2 Allens towards the rear, and we also have to remove the front foot peg bracket on the right side of the motorcycle. This will allow us to remove the exhaust from the motorcycle. Now we can get access to the oil filter. We do that by removing the 5 Allen bolts on the right side of the crankcase. Once we remove the cover, we'll see that we have an additional cover that will simply just pull out. Now, using a set of needle nose pliers, we can remove the old oil filter and replace it with our new one with the flat gasket facing in towards the engine. Now we simply reinstall our covers and torque our bolts fairly snug. We don't want to over tighten them here because the last thing we want to do is strip out a bolt. Now let's reinstall the exhaust by following the same steps before, but in reverse. Now it's time to fill the engine with oil. Yamaha recommends that this unit hold 3.1 quarts of 10W40 motorcycle oil. Now we'll remove our funnel and reinstall our oil fill cap. Now we're going to start the engine up, let it idle for just a few moments. That's going to get the oil circulated through the system properly. Once it's idled for a little bit, we'll go ahead and shut it off and let it sit for a few more moments. That's going to help us achieve an accurate oil level reading. Now, looking at the right side of the crankcase through the sight glass, we want our oil level to be in the middle to upper portion of the sight glass. This looks great, so let's hit the road.